Hi, today I'm going to show you how an app called IObit Malware Fighter 11 works. Now in its 11th major development cycle, IObit Malware Fighter has always been considered a decent alternative to other, more expensive security solutions. Although value for money is one of its main strengths, with the Pro version, the security solution is not particularly lacking when it comes to antivirus capabilities. Before we get into the details, it's worth noting that IObit Malware Fighter has the look and feel of a modern app. It has two GUI themes, classic and readable, both with customizable font sizes and transparency effects. While the app packs a lot of useful features, learning how to use it is quite simple and doesn't require much in the way of know-how. All features of the app are organized into 5 main sections, excluding the settings section: home, scan, data protection, browser protection and security protection. The app offers 3 scanning methods: Smart Scan, the standard way to check your computer, examines active processes, registry and key files, etc. Full Scan, thoroughly scans all areas of your storage drives of your computer, and Custom Scan, allows you to drag and drop any file or directory to scan them directly. One of the coolest features is something called Safe Box. It basically limits access via a password and keeps an eye on files and folders that contain sensitive data. A lot of attention is paid to your online privacy, and the browser protection section only makes it even better. It groups together components like homepage control, anti-tracking, available in the Pro version, download protection, DNS protection, plugin toolbar cleaner, and something called browsing protection and ad removal. Security Guard is where you can deeply customize how the app's real-time protection engine works. Everything from network protections, to file, boot, and process protections can be called into action, along with other nifty protection features like MBR Guard, Camera Guard, USB Disk Guard, and Molly CIO's actions. Of course, for these last 4 features you will have to upgrade to the Pro version. All in all, IObit Malware Fighter is a great looking and feature-rich security solution that offers users of all types a viable alternative to most antivirus solutions, powerful and more expensive available, and I highly recommend it to everyone. See you next video, and now some music.